Hi, I'm making a really quick soup today. I'm making the Greek national soup and it's called Avgolemono. I've got some veggie broth here, about 5 cups, and I put in a half a cup of sushi rice and a half a cup of diced onion. I'll list the recipe below for you, and I also have a tablespoon of dried dill in here. Now the traditional recipe is made with chicken meatballs. I'm going to leave the chickens out of mine, and I'm going to add in some kale. It's about 4 cups of packed raw kale that I steamed earlier. Now to make this really lemony and to thicken it up, I have some cornstarch or arrowroot here, and I want to add in a couple tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to that. And this is what the traditional taste is all about. It's this lemony soup. I'm going to mix this all up. And I'm going to add this to the boiling liquid. It has to be boiling when you put it in. And that thickens it up just ever so gently. And now I'm going to add in my kale. I'm adding this in at the last minute because I want it to be nice and bright when I serve this. It smells wonderful. It's a nice hearty thick soup. I'm just going to let this come to a boil a little bit more with the kale inside, because that helps to thicken up the cornstarch. There we go. And this, my friends, is Avgolemono. I'll list the recipe below, like I said, and I'll also list the points for it. It's a really light in points. I don't have it calculated, but I don't think that a half a cup of rice between 4 people is going to be very much points. Et voila. Welcome to Greece. Have a great day. My name's Jill. Thanks for watching.